Hi, hello, Dr. Stock Viewers. Welcoming you all to my new video. This is our Nifty regular weekly review video. So, in this video, we're going to see about how the Nifty is going to behave for the upcoming week, for the week starting 13th and 17th. Let's tightly go to the key technical points. We'll start with the daily chart. So, right now we have Nifty daily chart. So, as of now, currently the bull is intact. That means there is a bull movement that is perfectly in place. I'll step down with all the things. I mean, step up, step all the things. What is listed as of now, the bull things, everything. Okay. So as of now, 10,430 levels, which is acting as 61.8 for the Nifty on daily, is something very strong, and we have not broken that limit. So apart from that, what are things we are having as of now is for the week starting 6th, right, till the week completed, right, 10th. It is completely a movement of only 200 points for the past 5 days. That means there is a high pitch consolidation. So that helped us to form a channel-like pattern. So it means that 10,850 is acting as a strong resistance and 10,650 levels is acting as a strong support. So as a result, what happened is you can see this blue line and there is a red line here, green line, right? So this all formed a small pattern called flag pattern. So when there is a movement above 10,850, when we are sustaining above 10,850 and when we are going to sustain below 10,650, we can see a possible correction of quick 300, that is 200 to 300 points very quickly, meaning that this much height of the pole, right? Height of the pole of the flag, the movement need to happen. So that is why this formation is done. And one more important thing is this is called as a rising wedge, the one which I drawn in green, right? That is also a bullish pattern. So what will happen is you have to calculate this height and calculate this height. Okay, that what you'll be doing is that is this is A and this is B. So you want to add it and divide by 2. That is called as C. So this movement will take place till that C. So that is how the rising wedge formulation will be happening. Okay. So these are the bullish patterns which is available as of now. So we are sustaining 61.8 B. So reaching 11300 is very easy, but still we need to cross 11850 for sure. If we are not crossing 11850 and we are closing below 10,650 levels, sorry, it is 10,000. If we are sustaining 10,850 above and we are not breaking anything below, then we'll be going to head towards 11,300 levels. If not, we are breaking 10,650 on daily charts, then we are going to short touch 10,200 levels very quickly. So that is what we can see in the chart as of now on the daily. Let me move on to the weekly. As of now in weekly also, the bull is intact. So it is like when we are sustaining 10,550 levels, so we're gonna head towards 11,380 levels. Moving on to monthly. Monthly is also sustaining the same bull movement. 10,550 act as a main important thing in the monthly as well. So we are heading towards 11,300 levels on both weekly and monthly time frame. Reason being we are sustaining 61.8 closely. So that is what we can see. And moving on to the very small time frame, that is the 15 minutes time frame. What is there in 15 minutes time frame is we can see very clearly what happened on the market. So it is a zigzag movement happened on the market on the past week, that is from 6th to 10th. So it is a very clear indication that, so what we have done as of now is when there is a breakout for 10,850 in 15 minutes, what will happen is we're going to head towards 10,950 levels very quickly. Okay. When there is any break below 10,670 levels, we're going to head to 10,570 very quickly. And then we're going to head towards 10,400 levels. So this is quick on the downside, my dear friends. So this is what we have from the chart. So apart from 10,950, where we are going to head up is on the upside 10,950, and from there again you will be going to 11,050 levels again immediately. So that is what we have in the upside. So 10,850 and 10,650 is playing a main important role here. And when we are continuously closing below 10,080 levels, 10,080 levels and below on 15 minutes, expect 10,570 levels very quickly. That is what 15 minutes is suggesting as of now. Let's move on to the next part of this video, that is the OI open interest data and the FI data. So moving on with the open interest data, as of now in the put side, we have the highest open interest on the 10,000 put. Okay, so it's like 10,000 is acting as an perfect support at this moment, but still this is far away. We need to look on to the second highest. So it is like 10,000. Sorry, it is 10,700 which is acting as the second important support. As of now, 10,700 is playing a key important support levels. And on the call side, we have major OI is in 11,000. So it's like 10,700 to 10,000, 11,000 levels. So before that, we want to cross 10,800 as of now. So sustaining 10,800, we're going to reach to 11,000. And if there is any break below 10,700, so it's like a very clear view that we're going to touch towards 10,600 levels and thereon carrying forward to 10,500. Accordingly, it will go. So highest open interest right now falls on the call side on 11,000 and on the put side it's on the 10,700. So 10,800 upon crossing, we're going to hit towards 11,000 because second highest on resistance falls on 10,800 levels. Now moving on to the FI data. So when you check the FI data, right, for the complete week, for the past week, as of now in the July month, completely they are into buy for around close to 7,600 crores. Whereas you check the cash, they are into a net sell of minus 1,440 crore. And when you check for cash, again they are into a slight sell of around 2,685 levels. So it means clearly there is some short covering is going to come in the market. That means that sustaining above 10,850 is very, very doubtful in this week. That is what I can say as a conclusion of this data, all the points. So I'm having a very different view on the open interest as well, because previously we are having a very high open interest on the levels of 10,000 like that. Right now the support level, the highest open interest on the PE level falls on 10,700 level. So that is how this data is showing me that there are high possible of market reversal to be happen on this week. Thanks for watching this video, my dear friends. Catch you all shortly with yet another video.